Cats communicate with a wide range of vocalizations, and one of the most distinctive features among domestic cats is the pitch of their meows. While some cats have deep, throaty meows, others produce high-pitched sounds that stand out as particularly sharp and shrill. This variation in vocalization pitch is often tied to a combination of factors including genetics, breed characteristics, emotional expression, and environmental influences. One of the primary reasons for a high-pitched meow is genetic and breed-related traits. Certain breeds of cats are naturally predisposed to higher-pitched vocalizations. For example, breeds like the Siamese, Oriental Shorthair, and Singapura are known for their distinctive, loud, and high-pitched meows. These breeds have evolved to communicate in ways that are particularly sharp and attention-grabbing, likely as a result of their social structure and history. The Siamese, in particular, is famous for its vocal nature, and its high-pitched meows are a hallmark of the breed. The high pitch of these breeds' vocalizations is a result of the specific shape and structure of their vocal cords, as well as the way their larynx and mouth work together to produce sound. The larynx, or voice box, is responsible for creating the sounds that cats make, and in some breeds, the vocal cords are naturally more flexible, which allows for higher-pitched tones. These breeds are often more talkative in general, and their high-pitched meows are a part of their vocal expression, which can vary in pitch, intensity, and frequency. Another factor influencing the pitch of a cat's meow is its size and age. In general, smaller cats and kittens tend to have higher-pitched meows compared to larger, adult cats. This is because smaller animals typically have smaller vocal cords, which can produce higher sounds. Kittens, in particular, use high-pitched meows to communicate with their mothers, signaling their needs for food, comfort, or attention. As they grow, their vocal cords lengthen and thicken, which often results in a deeper, more resonant meow. However, even in adulthood, some cats retain their kitten-like high-pitched meows, which can be a result of individual variation in vocal cord structure. Emotional factors also play a significant role in the pitch of a cat's meow. Cats may produce higher-pitched sounds when they are in a heightened emotional state, such as when they are excited, anxious, or seeking attention. A cat may meow at a higher pitch when it is excited about food, when it is trying to get its owner's attention, or when it is expressing distress. In situations of stress or anxiety, cats may also meow in a way that is louder and more high-pitched, as a way of communicating urgency or discomfort. These vocalizations are meant to elicit a response from their human companions or other animals. And the higher pitch often serves to make the sound more noticeable. In some cases, the high-pitched meow can be an attempt to mimic the attention-getting sounds that humans use to communicate with the cat. People often speak to cats in a higher, softer tone, and some cats may learn to mimic this vocalization in an effort to communicate more effectively with their owners. This form of mimicry is especially common in cats that have been raised in close contact with humans and have developed a strong bond with them. In these situations, a high-pitched meow may be a cat's way of imitating the kind of vocal cues that it receives from humans, using a similar tone to express its own desires or needs. High-pitched meows can also occur as a form of behavior that is reinforced over time. If a cat's high-pitched meows consistently result in a favorable response, such as being fed, petted, or let outside, the cat may learn to repeat this vocalization to elicit the same positive reaction. This kind of learned behavior is common in cats, who quickly associate specific vocalizations with particular outcomes. Over time, a cat may increase the frequency or intensity of its high-pitched meows if it continues to receive attention or rewards in response. Additionally, certain medical conditions or changes in a cat's health can affect the pitch of its meow. For example, a cat with a sore throat, upper respiratory infection, or laryngitis might produce a higher-pitched meow due to irritation or swelling of the vocal cords. Similarly, changes in a cat's vocalization can be a sign of stress, pain, or discomfort, and any sudden, drastic changes in pitch should be evaluated by a veterinarian to rule out underlying health issues. In rare cases, cats with certain neurological conditions may also exhibit changes in vocalization, including higher-pitched meows. In conclusion, the reasons why some cats have very high-pitched meows are varied and multifaceted, encompassing breed characteristics, size, age, emotional expression, and learned behaviors. Cats are highly communicative creatures, and their vocalizations serve a variety of purposes, from attracting attention to expressing excitement, anxiety, or frustration. High-pitched meows are simply one of the many ways that cats use their voices to interact with the world around them. Whether due to genetics, emotional states, or learned behavior, these meows are a unique and fascinating aspect of feline communication, reflecting the complexity of their social and emotional lives. Understanding the underlying causes of a cat's high-pitched meow can help cat owners better interpret their pet's needs and strengthen the bond between them.